Good evening, everybody. Bobby 2 Pounds Breaks. It is Tuesday, April the 20th. We're breaking Bomb Box Combo Series. It's a 2-box or 2-envelope break. We randomed up our 27 remaining envelopes out of the initial 43. We got number 27 and 17. We did random teams for it on your right. We've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized everyone. Gave them a chance to trade. The one trade that did go down has been entered. Just checking my chats. I don't see anything else. So here we go. We're going to start with our first envelope. All right, guys. This is envelope 17. Bam! Well, there you go, Rome's. Lucky you didn't trade him. That is going to be the Lawrence Taylor mini helmet there, folks. Also, bam, going to be the Baltimore slot with the Ray Lewis Color Rush jersey. Actually, a really nice looking jersey, man. We'll grab those in a second, just showing you there's nothing else in our envelope. We're going to go on to 27. I'll grab that in a second, guys. Let me just do our reveal, and I'll grab everything at once. All right, one more time. Bam! Well, that is going to be the MLB spot with the Evan Goddess Baseball, folks. Has the 2017 World Series champs. This I'm actually still waiting on, guys. I'm really hoping that'll be in tomorrow. Bam! Also going to be the Dallas spot with the Tony Dorse, folks. Bam! Nothing else in our envelope. I'll check who won the other ones in a minute. Let me grab that stuff. There's my Lawrence Taylor. Grab my jizzes. Ray Lewis. Dorse. Grab a couple of new bags for those. All right, bam, Rome's. There is your Lawrence Taylor mini. Has the JSA certification and sticker on that. So that one's going to Rome's. That was the one I did know because he was trying to trade him. All right, y'all. Bam, there is your Ray Lewis Color Rush jersey, guys. Really nice jersey. I mean, really nice soft material on it. Who is Baltimore? Well, that figures that's going to be a Lone Star hit, man. Lone Star has some really nice luck in these combos. I haven't been able to hit him a helmet for shit in a while, but he does have some nice, decent luck in the combos. Seems to get a hit every other box. that has a JSA certification and a card on it also, Lone Star. Let me get it in a new bag, though. Then Dorse. Bam! That is going to be your Tony Dorsett, folks. Beckett certification and a card. Gonna be Larry Dorsett. Still think that looks more like Larry than Tony. Well, that's gonna be a Steve hit on the bottom of our dock on the Dorsett. And I think Gigi, I saw, is going to get the Goddess Baseball. Not a monster hit for you, G. At least we got you something there, though. I'm very sorry, everybody else. We are going to do our Merino qualifier, though, folks. So someone can still walk away from this break with a nasty hit in the Merino at the end. Put that in a new bag. All right, so that is Stevie. Eva Lewis is going to Lone. That is going to Rome's. And this is going to Gigi. Alright, that's going to wrap up that two-boxer, guys. And not a bad two-boxer there. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook. Pardon me, 8 p.m. Central. Stop on to buy Bobby 2 Pops of breaks.